Oh, way I see the people talking smack, trying to give me copyright and trying to give me back. Yeah, look at all this grinding. Yeah, that's a fact. Pull up at the track. Yeah, I'm in my car. Got the Mustang here, yeah, it's supercharged. Got the slicks on the back, yeah, I'm going far. They be like, look out, boy, you a star. Yeah, you going hard. I see you freestyle. Yeah, your car real fast and they try to get wild. Pulling up, I ain't had it out in a while. Cause it got a blowed head. Yeah, I'm going fed, might put my car on meds. Yeah, put it to bed. Pull up in this bitch. Yeah, you know I'm going fit. Got the nitrous on the back, sunrise on the front. Pulling up, might have my wheels raised up the front. Hey, Papa Willie. Here, yeah, I'm going hard. Small block killer. Here, you know I'm going far. Look at what did I miss? Told you that you missed out. Silent killer event. Hey, got the car with the fucking new slicks. Got brand new tires. Yeah, they riding this bitch. Got the Mickey Thompson tires in the back and they slick. Got the Mickey Thompson tires on the back and they slick. 28, 10, 5, yeah, I'm about to go live. All my cars going fast and they got overdrive. One got a 480, other one got a 6. Pulling up, I'm taking pics with your ugly little bit. Hey.
Ooh, put it on vinyl, bro.
Hey.
Put that shit, what do they say on wax or whatever? Shit. What do the gangsters say, as Eason would say?
What
all those gangsters say?
Make sure you guys,
put
if you're
down
not
really
an alpha male,
that was a fire bar.
Oh, that was fire. He said it was fire, y'all.
I liked it a lot, man. I was jamming.
Put it on wax.
Put it on wax.
My boy say not the Mickey Thompsons, man. Car on meds. He said he liked when I said car on meds. Yeah. Yeah, because you know everybody else, they call it that dope. I just call it some meds, some medication.
They got that medicine.
I like that beat in the background. That's one serious. I can talk to you. Yeah, let me tell you a story. Looking ass.
Hey. Okay, so what was the how'd the birthday party go?
Let me get to it, man. Yeah, they was doing some. Let me see. I'm finna pull it up over here.
Also, I see is Mike Pena's truck fixed? Is they're out there challenging
No, I don't
people
think that's Mike Pena truck.
No, it's not. Oh, okay.
No, that ain't Mike Pena truck.
I'm gonna step on my dick again because I don't, you know me, I don't know shit. Oops. I just see people online going after each other, all in fun, but I mean it's obviously good entertainment. I just can't always keep up with it because I don't know whose stuff is whose, and my head doesn't work that fast, you know.
That's Rafa truck. Truck. You know Raphael Saints?
I know the name.
Yeah.
I probably know his face too. I don't.
Yeah.
You know me. I'm not good with people.
No. Yeah.
I've never said hi to the man. I've never introduced myself.
Yeah, man. They tell me I need to hook up with the SRC and do an interview with the old man. I just got through seeing him too, man. I wanna meet them. Hey, somebody tell SRC I wanna do an interview with that old man and Billy the Kid. Billy the Kid, hey, I wanna do an interview with you. I'm trying to go up. Man, hold up. I ain't trying to act stuck up. I got 2 cars. Which one you want to do? I heard that you work on cars to get some views. Hey, you telling everybody what they got. Tell them all the prices is shit and cost me a lot. I told them that I got a small block. Never big. I don't like them big old motors because they weak. Coming through, I go on the track every week. Even when I sleep, I be racing. When I get up, I be pacing. Coming through all these other times, I be racing. All these bad times, I be racing. Pull up, young place and all around. Coming, man, I do this every time, going live. Man, I couldn't think of nothing else.
Even your fuck up raps are way better than my like best raps. If I sat down and wrote down some shit today, I don't know. You still do better than that. So it's impressive to actually watch you mess up and then just hop right back into it.
Yeah, I'm back
Every
in the
time I
zone.
mess up with a rap, I'm like, oh, I can't sing anymore. They know how stupid I sound. I don't sound cool, so I gotta stop.
My car can't get right, fool, because I can't get that bitch right. And then when people ask me, why did your name?
How about get right? Just get right.
Get right.
Yeah, that used to be a famous Counter-Strike player too. For all those gamers out there, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like that name. Get right.
I like can't get right. I'm gonna think about
well,
that. Get
that's
right.
Your car, bro. You name it what you want. I was just getting,
don't
chirpy.
Don't do it, nephew. We got Herman in the bit. Yeah, Junior with the 6'2". Oh, we look at us in the booth. Just got a new fresh cam. Call, text to speed. I need a fresh yam. Hey, how much it costs? $329. Ooh, I'm had to look another rhyme. Man, they done spent every damn dime. Man, they do this shit every damn time. I'm calling Summit. Yeah, I'm calling Jigs. Ooh, I'm tired of this fucking mess. The parts that went high as a bit. I don't think these motherfuckers thinking that I'm rich. Hey, trying to go fast, trying to go to track. Man, they got my parts on hold in the back. Man, they taking a long time. That's a fact. Pull up in the bitch, man. I'm trying to tax. Yeah, man, they went up. Couldn't think of nothing else. The motherfuckers that went up on all these goddamn parts.
That's a good ending. Hey, so what? Tell me about this event, because I'm not gonna let you. I'm not gonna let you forget.
I keep fucking. Okay. Oh yeah, I should have made a. Oh yeah, man. Check this out. So for the Silent Killer event, dude called me. Like, yeah, man, we want to lock this shit in, man. We want to get on your ass in that Mustang. You been talking shit. I really wasn't talking shit, but they were like, yeah, on your ass we go. We want your motherfucking ass.
With what car? Silent Killers?
No, not Silent Killer. It was somebody else. Yeah, you ain't never even seen them at the track.
Okay.
You've been streaming all this time. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna come up there. I'm gonna race y'all or whatever. And I bring the car and they don't even show up.
What?
Yeah, they don't show up. They don't show up.
What the hell? I know what you're doing now. You just set me up to get mad. You tell me another story that's going to get me mad. I'm going to reach for the bong.
Yeah.
Here it goes.
Get them mad, y'all.
Don't get me mad, bro, please, because I say stupid shit because I don't know what I'm talking about. You abuse me.
Yeah,
I know what you're doing.
Yeah, I got the Mustang out. I got that Mustang out. What you know about
so they didn't show up. What the hell?
Yeah, they didn't show up. Had a punk out fee. Everything.
So naturally, they made the punk out then, right?
I ain't even heard nothing about the punk out fee since this day.
No.
They ain't called me. They don't call me no more.
You fast forwarded, man. Don't tell me I haven't paid the punk out yet.
Tell me no more. Nothing. I ain't heard no. Hey, man, hear your money.
I'm gonna stop.
My bad for making you bring your car out the garage and bring it to the track.
Or just
my
anything.
Bad. Nothing. I ain't heard nothing.
No, don't tell me this, bro.
No, I'm telling you. I ain't heard. Oh, this was a good part of the video.